we cut across to breaking inputs coming in. Commissioner of Police Hemant Nagrale and Joint Commissioner of Police Vishwas Nagre Patil visited the spot of Kurla rape and murder early this morning. The identity of the victim in Kurla rape and murder case has now been ascertained. The relative will be visiting Rajawada Hospital very soon. I want to cut across to my colleague Yesha, who's tracking all the details on the same. Yesha, tell us more about the investigation that is underway and what's the progress so far in terms of what the police has found out.
So what really happened in this incident was that a 20-year-old female's dead body, that is a decomposed body, was found on Thursday at an under construction building in Kurla. Now this building is already developed and it is with an empty flat, but just on Thursday there were 3 boys who had reached this location wherein they found this decomposed body on the terrace of this building, which is where their statement has now been recorded. In fact, the body was taken by the police, but an FIR was not registered then. It was only after 2 days when they found out through the post-mortem that the female was in fact sexually assaulted before being murdered, was where we saw that the FIR has been registered. Sections 307 as well as 326 have been mentioned in the FIR, and now the investigation is underway. They are trying to find out who the accused is, because there's a limited possibility of finding CCTV footages from this area, as it's an under construction building and no one stays in that entire area. So which is where now the search is on to find the CCTV footage. Apart from that, what is also important to understand is that the police will investigate and find out more details from the location, because there are only 3 boys who had seen the body on the terrace of this building, and their statement has been recorded, but the identity of the victim was to be ascertained, which has already been done, and the body has been taken to Rajawadi Hospital where it's been kept. So the relatives of this female would be reaching the hospital anytime to ascertain the identity of this female, and following which they could take the possession of the body. However, what's important to notice from them also, they try to understand if and when she went from home, or how she had reached here. So as of now, the investigation is still in the primary stage. We have seen that Joint CP Vishwas Nagre Patil as well as the DCP and ACP Dr. Dyaneshwar Chauhan, they had also visited the spot. So the investigation is underway. However, the entire building has been cordoned off and a police constable has been deployed there in order to ensure that no one reaches the spot or messes with the evidence over there. Yes.
All right, Yesha, thank you for the moment. We'll keep coming back to you as and when you gather more updates. For the moment, we also listen into what the police have to say.
कुर्ल्यामधली जी घटना आहे नेमकी काय घटना आहे आणि केस रजिस्टर झाली आहे का, त्या मुलीची ओळख पटली आहे का?
मर्डरचा गुन्हा दाखल केलेला आहे आणि मुलीची ओळख पटणं सुरू आहे आणि वी आर होपफुल, निश्चितपणे याच्यावर आम्ही छाडायला आहोत. थँक्यू
सर. हिंदी में बताएंगे सर कि क्या इस विनोबा भावे पुलिस स्टेशन में जो लड़की की रेप और मर्डर हुई है, क्या है घटना, रेप और मर्डर की घटना है, सही है क्या?
गुन्हा दाखिल किया है और हमारी टीम उस पर वर्कआउट कर रही है. वी आर पॉजिटिव और हम बताएंगे.